Good morning, students. So the next topic after sociometry is cumulative record card. That is your topic of Unit 2, Assessment of Learning, Paper B.Ed 106 by Dr. Garima Sharma. Cumulative record card. What is cumulative record card? It is the record cards of the student basically, and it compiles all the information about the student, and it is combined. It's a completion of the information maintained in the school for the student, and it contains each and every information about the student, and it's factual, objective and professional regarding the student's academic progress and academic life also. The basic characteristics of a cumulative record card. Basically, this question is being asked in your exam. What is a cumulative record card? What are its characteristics and how it is maintained? So the basic characteristics in the point or bullet form we'll discuss here. One, it's a permanent record about the student or the pupil. It is maintained up to date. Up to date का मतलब है कि अभी तक, अगर आज आप किसी बच्चे का क्यूमुलेटिव रिकॉर्ड कार्ड देख रहे हैं और वो क्लास 6 में है, तो नर्सरी से लेकर क्लास 6 तक की उसकी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन, उसका कंप्लीट इन्फॉर्मेशन आपको उसके स्टूडेंट के बारे में उसके क्यूमुलेटिव रिकॉर्ड कार्ड में मिलेगी. यानी कि आज की डेट तक वो पूरा कंप्लीटली मेंटेन्ड होना चाहिए. वेन एवर एनी न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन इज ऑब्टेन्ड अबाउट द पीपल, दैट इज एंटर्ड इनटू द रिकॉर्ड. Third, it presents a complete picture about the educational progress of the student and his past achievements and his or her present standing. अभी तक उसकी क्या एजुकेशनल प्रोग्रेस हुई है, उसकी पास्ट में क्या क्या अचीवमेंट्स रही हैं और प्रेजेंटली वो कहाँ पर स्टैंड करता है. फोर्थ, इट कंटेन्स ओनली दोज इंफॉर्मेशन विच आर ऑथेंटिक, रिलायबल, ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड यूजफुल. वो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन इसमें होनी चाहिए जो कि रिलायबल है, जो ऑथेंटिक है, ऑब्जेक्टिव है एंड यूजफुल है. The confidential information about the student is not entered in the record but is kept in a separate file, which is also called the personal file of the child. It is comprehensive in the sense that it contains all the information about the student's attendance, test score, health, etc. It is continuous in the sense that comprehensive की सेंस में क्या है? comprehensive मतलब जिस सब कुछ इकट्ठा उसमें अवेलेबल है. क्या अवेलेबल है? बच्चे के अटेंडेंस के बारे में, उसके आज तक के एकेडमिक टेस्ट स्कोर्स के बारे में, उसका हेल्थ रिकॉर्ड, एवरीथिंग इज देयर इन द क्यूमुलेटिव रिकॉर्ड कार्ड. एंड कंटिन्यूस मीन्स दैट दिस the information is entered from the time the student enters the school, that is from preschool education or the kindergarten till he leaves the school. पूरी उसकी स्कूल की जर्नी की इंफॉर्मेशन उसमें रिकॉर्ड कार्ड में, क्यूमुलेटिव रिकॉर्ड कार्ड में मेंटेन की जाती है. Keeping of record is a continuous process and should cover the whole history from preschool to the college, and this should follow the child from the school. Next, all the teacher and guidance workers should have access to these records. Records should be based on objective data and it should contain reliable, accurate and objective information. Now, what are the data which is contained in the cumulative record card? It should be accurate, it should be complete, it should be comprehensive, it should be objective, usable and valid. There are various kinds of records. One is the identification data. Identification data में क्या आएगा? बच्चे का नाम, pupil का नेम, उसका सेक्स, फादर्स नेम, एडमिशन नंबर, डेट ऑफ बर्थ, क्लास, सेक्शन and any other information that helps in the location of the card. Next is environmental और background data. उसमें क्या आएगा? चाइल्ड का होम, नेबरहुड, सोशल इकोनॉमिक स्टेटस, फैमिली, cultural status of family, number of brothers and sisters, their educational background and occupations of the family members. Physical data. Physical data is the height of the child, weight of the child, any illness, any physical disability with the child suffers. Psychological data. Psychological data में आएगा IQ, intelligence aptitude, interest, personality quality, emotional and social adjustments and any other attitudes. Educational data, any previous school he or she has attended, educational attainments, school marks, school attendance. Curricular data or co-curricular data will contain notable experiences and accomplishments in various fields: intellectual, artistic, social, recreational. And last is the supplementary information. It is obtained by the use of any standardized test. Now, what is the source of collection of all these information? The parents or guardians data form. Whenever you go for the admission of your child, your parents must have experienced this कि एक फैमिली बैकग्राउंड का, एक पर्सनल हिस्ट्री का चाइल्ड के बारे में पेरेंट्स से एक फिल्म फॉर्म फिल कराया जाता है. देन देर इज ऑल्सो वन फॉर्म कॉल्ड पर्सनल डाटा फॉर्म, जिसमें स्टूडेंट के पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन के बारे में वो फॉर्म फिल होता है. उसके क्या इंटरेस्ट है, उसने कब कौन सी करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट किया है, वोकेशनल प्रेफरेंसेस क्या है, सारी पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन उसमें होती है. स्कूल रिकॉर्ड्स उसमें ऐड किए जाते हैं. दैट इज द रिकॉर्ड ऑफ द अचीवमेंट टेस्ट, अदर टेस्ट, एडमिशन एंड विड्रॉल, personal visits by the teacher and observations made by the teacher about that child. There is a picture here about the cumulative record card. Here you see in the first column they have the students profile, the name, gender, class, section, roll number, date of birth, father's name, mother's name, guardian name. Then they have address, phone number, height, weight, email ID, blood group. Then there is a column for signature of the parent, signature of the principal, and the grading system. Then they have the assessment of the scholastic area, subject wise assessment for all the FAs and essays. Then they have assessment for the co-scholastic areas like life skills, attitude, art and craft, any other sports activity, physical activity, yoga, vocal, music. Then they have a column for the other dimensions of assessment, and this is basically for the academic achievement record for the 1 year, and such cards are added every year, right? So such cards are added every year in the record card. So we can say the maintenance of cumulative record should begin from the student enters the school and should follow the student from the class to class within a school, and from a school as he continues his progress. The class teacher usually maintains the cumulative record card, and in view of the fact that it will be in a greater position, because the class teacher is in a greater position to judge them about their different aspects, because you all know that a class teacher spends most of the time with the child during the school hours. तो क्लास टीचर से बेहतर बच्चे को कोई जज नहीं कर सकता. थैंक यू.